Hello, this is going to be the easiest hairstyle ever. Welcome back to my channel. So for this hairstyle, I'm going to do the regular C parting. The last few videos I've done, I think, is this C parting that I have been doing. So I'm going to maintain that, especially since I made this video on the same day I made the other two videos. So after the C parting, I'm going to hold that section in place by twisting it. Next, I am going to start doing my low bun, but in sections, because I really want it to lay flat since I won't be using gel. I could have held everything at once, but due to the length of my hair, if I do that, it's going to be puffy. So I decided to work in sections. So right now, I'll be brushing the hair down in smaller sections. This is to help the hair lay flat. So now that all the hair is brushed, I'm going to hold it in place. Then I'll still go in with a brush just to make sure the hair is as flat as possible. This is one of the easiest hairstyle you can do, especially if you're in a hurry and you don't just want to go for the low bun, you just want to style it a bit, so you can just do this. So it's time to come over to the front. So I'll just brush it very well. I don't want any knots or tangle at the tips. So after this, I'm going to do the regular roll, tuck, and pin. So now you can see that the hair looks more beautiful than just packing it. Don't get me wrong, packing it like that is also beautiful on its own, but this gives it a little bit of class and more beauty. This adds more beauty to the regular low bun. So here you can leave the hair like that if you want, but I don't want to leave it that way. I'll just twist it, and my hair is short, so if you have a longer hair, this will be very beautiful because the bun is going to be very full. So after twisting the bun, I'll just bend it under and pin it down, and that is just it. It's very easy. You can achieve this style in less than 5 minutes, especially if you're in a hurry. So my beautiful people, remember to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do so. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.